Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by launching Etabs and loading any model. This primes the interface so changes apply immediately. Once the program is open, make sure the main menu and status bar are visible because they anchor the toolbar layout. Now you need to access toolbar controls. Right-click any empty area in the top ribbon or choose View from the main menu to reveal toolbar options. Do this now so you can actively toggle toolbars on and off. Next, open the toolbars dialog from the View menu or via the right-click list. Here you'll see every toolbar available. You should check the boxes for the toolbars you need, for example, Draw, Assign, Display, and Tools, because checking is how you make them visible. Once visible, click and drag a toolbar's handle to dock it to the left, right, top, or bottom, or undock it to float. This lets you organize frequently used tools where they're fastest to reach. Finish by saving your workspace or user profile so the toolbar positions persist when you close Etabs. Make sure to test by restarting the program. This confirms the layout is stored. If a toolbar disappears after restart, use View's Reset or Restore Defaults to return the interface to a known good state, and then reapply your selections. If toolbars still misbehave, reset user settings or reinstall UI components. That typically clears corruption and restores normal toolbar behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.